In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact NorthOne customer support through their phone, chat, and email options. Whether you're looking for help with your NorthOne account or have questions about your services, I'll show you how to reach out to their support team for a smooth customer service experience. When it comes to reaching out by phone, NorthOne provides a dedicated line for any issues regarding your NorthOne MasterCard R small business debit card. You can contact them at 1-866-3311-3085. It's important to note that their phone services aren't the primary mode of contact for broader customer support inquiries. NorthOne prefers handling most support requests through their in-app chat feature or through scheduled calls, offering a more streamlined and efficient service to address your needs. For many users, using the in-app chat tends to be the most convenient method of getting in touch with NorthOne's customer care agents. This option is straightforward. Simply open the app and tap on the NorthOne logo or select the support menu to initiate a chat. If you prefer not to use the app, you can also access this chat service via NorthOne's official website. Keep in mind that their customer care agents are available from Monday to Friday from 9 o'clock a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. This service is closed on major holidays such as December 25th and January 1st, so plan your inquiries accordingly to avoid any delays. If you prefer or need to use email, NorthOne has a dedicated support email at support@northone.com. This is particularly useful for sending detailed queries that might include attachments or additional documentation. For sensitive matters, such as reporting potential identity theft or other security concerns, emailing them provides a written record of your communication and allows you to include vital details like your account name or any relevant photos to assist in resolving your issue. Always ensure that your emails are clear and concise to facilitate a smoother assistance process. By utilizing these channels, whether phone, chat, or email, you can efficiently connect with NorthOne's support team and receive the help you need. It's all about choosing the method that best fits your situation and availability. Remember that using the resources within their app and during the designated business hours often yields the quickest response time and resolution, helping you get back to what matters most in your business. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this guide makes it easier for you to reach out to NorthOne customer support whenever necessary. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.